In this video, we will go from corn to soybeans using the Precision Planting eSet upgraded meter. This allows you to use our Seedright John Deere large cell disc. Step 1, you want to lock your singulator back. You want to tap it a few times to ensure that it doesn't pop back out. Step 2, snap the paper clip back. Simply put it in the down position. Step 3, you are going to adjust the brush position. Take your brush from a diagonal position and pop it into a vertical position. Step 4, you will remove the seed ejector. Now you are ready to use the Seedright John Deere large cell plate. You can find this plate and our rate charts online at seedright.com.